Hi, online scholars. I hope you're doing well. I just wanted to check in with you, see how you're making out with week 9. I also wanted to talk to you a little bit about what I'm looking for in an exemplary discussion board post. I noticed that many of you, your posts were really short in response to the Imagist poetry last week. And the reason they were short was because many of you did not address Robert Frost's poetry and Carl Sandburg's poetry. So be really, really observant and read the directions carefully because what I asked, I wanted you to address the prompt that I posted for William Carlos Williams' poetry. And then I asked you to discuss how the other poets' poetry exemplifies modernism. And many of you did not address the other poets. All right, so what I did was I just brought up an exemplary post, all right, for you to see what I'm actually looking for. Okay, so this was a student's post. Notice that her first paragraph addresses the prompt. Notice that it is well written, it is organized, and it cites specific textual examples. Okay, as you scroll down, you'll see that the second paragraph addresses Robert Frost and Carl Sandburg. Okay, and she discusses the imagery that they use and how the imagery leads us to believe that they are definitely Imagist and should be a part of this modernist literary time period. Okay, notice the references to direct quotes, the textual support, which is also very, very important. Notice also how she moves through her post that this was actually a repeat. I apologize. This is a repeat. Yes. Okay. So this is just a repeat accidentally. I think she posted the same paragraphs twice. But what I really liked about her post is that she addressed the prompt, she answered the assignment fully. It is clearly, she proofread it. There aren't many surface errors, and she cited textual evidence. All right, so please make sure, remember, your online presence takes place of a face-to-face class. So you should be spending a good amount of time writing your post and responding to your classmates. All right, a usual class is 3 to 4 hours during the week. So to write a response that is only taking you 30 minutes, all right, that doesn't really fulfill the credit requirement. So please make sure that you are fulfilling the assignment and writing a substantial, well-developed discussion board response. All right, if you have any questions about this, let me know, but I am not giving full credit to responses that do not address the entire prompt and do not cite textual evidence, all right, because part of this is proving to me that you've read it, but also that you understand what you're reading and how it relates to the various literary time periods. All right, if you have any other questions, do not hesitate to reach out to me. Thank you and have a great day.